Maintaining your gas stove. Cleaning and care.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about a fundamental part of your kitchen's daily operations, your gas stove. Specifically, we're going to look at how often you should clean and maintain your gas stove grates to ensure optimal performance. Let's dive in.
Why should we clean gas stove grates regularly?
First things first, why is it even necessary to clean your gas stove grates? Well, over time, grates can accumulate food debris, grease, and other residues. This can not only degrade the performance of your stove, but it can also pose a potential fire hazard. Regular cleaning enhances safety, maintains stove efficiency, and prolongs the lifespan of your gas stove.
How often should we clean gas stove grates?
Now to the heart of the matter. How often should you clean your gas stove grates? It's recommended to perform a light cleaning after each use. This includes removing food debris and wiping down the grates with a damp cloth once they've cooled down. For a deep cleaning, aim for once every month or two. This involves removing the grates and thoroughly cleaning them with a suitable cleaner.
What is the best way to clean gas stove grates?
The best way to clean your gas stove grates varies depending on the type of grates you have and their condition. However, for a general deep cleaning, you can 1. Remove the grates from the stove. 2. Soak them in a mixture of hot water, dish soap, and baking soda. 3. After soaking for a while, at least 20 minutes, but it can be helpful to soak overnight for heavy grime, scrub them with a non-abrasive scrub brush. 4. Rinse thoroughly and let them dry completely before replacing them on the stove. Remember, always consult your stove's manual as it may have specific instructions or cleaning agents that are recommended or cautioned against. Taking care of your gas stove grates doesn't have to be a daunting task. With regular light cleaning and occasional deep cleaning, you can ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity of your stove. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!